We are going to read A Great Day for Up by Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss illustrated his books himself. However, he asked his friend Quentin Blake to illustrate this book for him.
We have been learning about punctuation marks. They tell us how to use our voice when we are reading. If there is a comma, we should pause. If there is a period, that means to stop and to use a regular talking voice.
A question mark tells your voice to go up. An exclamation mark tells you to use a strong voice. Up, the sun is getting up. Up, you're number one, you're number two. The sun gets up, so up with you. Up heads, up whiskers, tails. Up. Great day today, great day for up. Up, you. Open up your eyes. You work. You frogs, you butterfly. Up whales, up snails, up rooster hen. Up girls and women, boys and men. Great day for up, left one. And up. Baseballs and footballs and kites. Great day to sing up on a wire. Up, voices louder, higher. Up, wavy alligators. Up, scales, up, ladders, up on stilts.
Great day for up. Now do my day.
Everybody is doing up. I'm fine. And trees. And buttercups. Up, folks. Up in elevator. Up, giraffe. Great day for seals. Good day for up on Ferris wheels. Up. Fill up the